ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम ज्ञानानंदमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारां सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। Namaste. Welcome to Nakshatra Nadi Astral Science. Today is my first day in Shankara TV. I welcome all the viewers for this astral science subject. What is astral science? People talk about astrology. Many people don't believe astrology. People say that astrology is a myth. Some people say that okay, it's a divine science. Some people say that it's a pseudoscience. Is really astrology, can we believe it? Okay, it will take some time. If you watch my program regularly from 10:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m., you will definitely start liking, believing and finally trusting astrology. This is my guarantee. First and foremost, let us understand how this astrology all began with. Astrology is not glued to only one religion. Every religion, every civilization had got their own fortune tellers. How it is in the future, what happens to me in the future, whether it is job, whether it is health, wealth, now about marriage, about childbirth, whatever you take. People wanted to know what happens next. People are more curious about what happens next. Based on this, there were many civilizations which they had their own theory, which they started with their own theory. But the Indian chapter is a completely different ball game altogether. We had the Vedas, the 4 Vedas. Through that, we had one particular Veda, the Atharva Veda. Under that, we had 2 subjects, 2 different subjects. The first subject was known as mundane astrology, which we call in Medini Jyotisha, which they call in the local language. The second subject was purely human astrology, or Phala Jyotisha, which they used to call. These 2 branches started from the Vedas. Out of the 64 subjects where the old people or the epic people who are all learning about different subjects, astrology also was one part. They use this astrology first to predict about the events on the earth. If you take rainfall, if you take the climate changes, if you take the catastrophes which happen on the planet earth, all these type of calamities, or predicting about the rain, predicting about the drought situation, predicting about the summertime, everything they used to come under the gambit of mundane astrology, Medini astrology, which we call. Over a period of time, laterly, sage Parashara, he is the father of astrology, which we call in our Hinduism. Sage Parashara started to apply this Medini or mundane astrology on human beings, and just watch out how the prediction comes across. So from there we got this Phala Jyotishyam, so which all started 5000 years back. Over a period of time, this astrology subject took lot of twists and turns with the 4 yugas, from the Satya Yuga, then the Treta Yuga, then the Dwapara Yuga. Then coming to the Kali Yuga, astrology has been carried from time immemorial, but the present situation, the astrological belief system is completely gone. Most of our youngsters don't believe astrology. First of all, they think that okay, it's a pseudoscience, it's a myth, it's a what they call, it's a probability of results. It's a probability of results. But with my experience of 25 years in learning, understanding, relearning, unlearning, with a study of around 300 books. Then I came to a point that, okay, astrology has got some truth, but it has to be explored, it has to be learnt, experienced, then we start believing it and trusting it finally. For all this, we have to first learn astrology. That is very, very important. So that is the main reason this program is all about learning astrology in 15 days. I guarantee you that any person who doesn't know anything about the planetary positions or the planets or the 27 nakshatras what we have or the 12 rashis what we have, nothing, it's zero. I will ensure that in 15 days you'll start predicting about yourself, about your family. Such is the easy of the subject. It's not a rocket science, it's a divine science, which I can call it about. To start all this, let me take you through some of the information. How all this started. People know about how all this started. Today, I would like to take one subject which is about the Sudarshana Chakra. Most of the people know about our main deity, Hindu deity, Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu. Everybody knew that he had Sudarshana Chakra in his right hand, using with a thumb as the index finger. I would like to put across a picture and just show you how it can be correlated with science, then our astrology. I would like to put the first picture. You can just watch this picture, you can come to know. One picture please. You can just see how the Sudarshana disc rotates in the index finger of Lord Vishnu. The same is depicted here. Lot of scientific things can be compared with our mythological stories which we have. All our mythological stories definitely have a strong bearing on the science and astronomical part. If you see here, Lord Vishnu is holding his Sudarshana Chakra, and this shows our galaxy, the Milky Way. All the stars are rotating here. If we have a satellite which goes above and watches our Milky Way, we can easily say that it looks like a swirling disc. This is the first one which I would refer. The Rishis told about that our universe is just like our Sudarshana Chakra. What is a chakra? I would like to emphasize what is a chakra. Chakra is nothing but a disc which doesn't have a starting or an ending. There is nothing called a beginning or the end. So even the disc doesn't have that. Even our universe doesn't have a start or an end. So a lot of things can be compared just with Sudarshana Chakra. This is the first point. The second most important point is the Sudarshana Chakra shows about the fire element, and Lord Vishnu carries a conch, a seashell, a sort of a seashell in his left hand. That is the sound energy. So our universe is made of light and sound energy. That is what the depiction which we have made. We have the second picture. I would like to show you the second picture and explain more about this. Here you can see the disc carried by Lord Vishnu. There is a clear ear marking. If you just check the Sudarshana disc, there are 108 spikes. 108 spikes in the Sudarshana Chakra. We have to understand first this. There are 108 spikes. 108 spikes. So these 108 spikes represent our 108 padas in astrology. There are 27 nakshatras and each nakshatra carries 4 padas. Please understand. 27 multiplied by 4, we will get 108 padas. Each of the person born on this earth will be born in some or the other pada. That each pada denotes the spike of the Sudarshana Chakra, in what nakshatra, in what pada we are born. That fire element, that Trishulam, that spike is what is the karma carrying spike. So the entire, the Milky Way is rotating by the middle, which is called the black hole. The black hole consists of the index finger. You can just show that index finger of Lord Vishnu. There is also one more story where Lord Krishna carries the same disc in his little finger. So here Vishnu is depicted. That's a different story. I would compare in a later episode what exactly is the difference, why Krishna was holding in the left small finger and why Vishnu is carrying in the index finger. I would like to tell in the next episode. Lot of calls are coming. I would like to continue this conversation over a period of time. I'll just take few calls. Okay. Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste, yeah, tell me.
Sir, this is Sachin from India.
Oh, Sachin, okay. Tell me.
Sir, my date of birth is 19.
एक second, I'll just put on the screen.
Okay, sir, I'll wait.
19? 8. August?
1997.
1997. Time of birth?
11:45 morning.
11:45 a.m. Okay.
A.M.
Place of birth?
Mandya.
Can you just tell me what is your question, please?
Sir, now I'm in final year BE.
Okay. Which
area I should select after completion of my BE?
Already you are doing your BE and you have taken a stream, right? Is it electronics, CS? What stream you have taken?
Sir.
Mechanical?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just have a check with it.
Okay, sir.
So your ascendant is Libra, which we call as the Lagna. Then your Rashi is Kumbha Rashi and Shatabhisha Nakshatra, Aquarius and Shatabhisha Nakshatra.
Yes, sir.
The current Dasha, we have to always look at the Dasha, what is running, and based on the Dasha we have to predict. Till 2021, there is Guru Dasha which is running for you. Then next 19 years, you will be running the period of Saturn. Let us see how the Saturn is performing. So let me go to Saturn. Saturn has got a combination of 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 3, 6. These are the combination. Our Nakshatra Nadi astral science is a completely a different astrological view, where we take KP system. From their KP system, I have devised this Gold Nadi system or Nakshatra Nadi. This is unique from the KP methodology. I use the Parashara, then the KP, then there is an advanced symbolum which is known as the HIT theory. Saturn is sitting in your 6th house with the nakshatra in the 10th and 3rd. I would suggest to go to the management side. Management side will be best. After BE, you can just get into sales or marketing through that, and with that you can get into MBA. In the MBA stream, you will be excelling in administrative services or any company where you can manage it. So the next which is taking on the Dasha wise is Saturn. So nothing to worry, your name and fame will be increased. Saturn Dasha is very good. Jupiter was having a different combination, study wise also was very good. You can take up MBA and get into management. Along with this mechanical thing, you can join some good company where mechanical thing will be your main domain. At the same time, management will be added. Can I have the next call, please? Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, yeah, tell me.
Sir, my name is Yashwant, sir, from Chamaranagar.
Okay, very good.
Your program is very precious, sir. I am watching your program from 2 years, sir.
Oh, okay. I was in the other language. I was using the.
Sir, yes, sir. In IS TV and Kasturi TV, I am.
Yeah. This is the first day I have come on Shankara TV.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, I want to take my consultation about my education. My date of birth is 24. 3
March
2003, sir.
2003. Okay, 2003. Okay. Time
is 11:31 a.m.
11:31 a.m. Okay. Place of birth?
Sir. Place of birth is Mysore, sir.
Mysore. Okay.
Now I am completed second PU, sir. I am attending in August and CET, sir. Okay. What type of combination I will prepare for next to my future education, or BE, or which combination?
Yeah, I'll help you out. Okay.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Currently you are running the Shukra Dasha, Venus Dasha.
Sir. Sir.
So in that you will be completing the Rahu Dasha by the end of this year. Then Guru starts. Till 31 you will be having the Shukra Dasha. Shukra Dasha is having a combination of hit theory of 7 and 6. Here 6 suggests you to get into engineering with the combination of 6 combination, 10 combination, 9 combination. In that the representation is more of Mars and Ketu. Ketu is a planet which also gives little bit of technical. You can get into computers because Ketu is also the Karaka for computers. So my suggestion is you can go for take the CET, get into the stream of engineering. In that you can select CS. Okay, all the best.
Okay.
Good luck for better enhancement of your career and your education. My suggestion, you go for one Burmese ruby to your right hand ring finger. It will help you in the long run. Okay. Let us continue our discussion on the Sudarshana Chakra part. As I was just telling you, the disc is fantastic. You can, a lot of information I'll just be giving about the Sudarshana Chakra, how it is helping, helps us in our materialistic growth as well as the spiritual growth. Let us look at a video, what it says about this Sudarshana Chakra and the evolution. One VT please.
Sudarshan Chakra is a spinning disc-like weapon owned by Lord Vishnu, and it has 108 scored edges. Sudarshan Chakra is also described as Kal Chakra, the disc of time, which consists of 12 rays and 6 centers. The 12 rays of this chakra represent the 12 months, and the 6 centers represent the 6 seasons. The literal meaning of Sanskrit word Sudarshan is a vision of which is auspicious. Few of the scriptures claim that it was created through a combination of the powers of Trimurti and Brihaspati. It is mentioned in the Vishnu Puran that Vishwakarma created the chakra from the sun dust. According to Mahabharata, Agnidev presented Lord Krishna with the chakra and Kaumudki for helping him. Shiv Puran states that Lord Shiva gave Sudarshan Chakra to Lord Vishnu as a boon. This chakra is portrayed either settled on Lord Krishna's.
So basically, we have just given the mythological essence to it. This disc, Sudarshana Chakra, shows the evolution where there was light and sound which was created. That is what our Hindu deity Sri Vishnu is depicted as having 16 hands. In that the main 2 hands has got one disc and one conch. There is light energy, there is sound energy. So our complete Hinduism and Hindutva is based more of scientific analysis which I can compare with. So that is what my one explanation about it. Let me take the call. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. Tell me.
Yeah, this is Ambrish from Bangalore Rural District.
Yeah.
I'm calling from Hoskote.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, my date of birth is...
One second, I will just take it. Yeah.
3rd February.
3rd February.
1985.
1985. Time?
Morning 9:30.
Just one second. Yeah, tell me morning.
Morning 9:30.
Morning 9:30. Place of birth?
Yeah. Hoskote, Bangalore.
Okay, Hoskote. Question, please.
Yeah, some family problem, marriage problem. So right now, my divorce is there in court. So
Okay.
will I get a divorce, or what is the problem is going to
See,
happen?
basically what happens when we check the horoscope, we should also check the second party, that is your wife's horoscope also. Okay, let me give a 50% analysis here, what is happening
Okay.
in your married life. See, currently you are running Saturn Dasha, and which is ending in next 7 months, 7-8 months it is ending. By 22 January it ends. Then Mercury Dasha starts. Let us analyze how is Mercury. Saturn had 11, 8, 11, 12 combination, 8, 11, 12 combination, 8, 11, 12 combination, and Mercury is having 4, 7, 11, 6, 11, 3, 8, 12. So what is the hit we are having? 11, 11, 12. So your divorce process will be delayed a lot, sir. You will be delayed a lot. How long it is happening, sir, your divorce?
Since 2 years it's happening, sir.
My analysis goes that there might be a compromise next year. There might be a compromise. She might come
No,
back.
sir. See, my confusion is, will I get a divorce, or will going to continue exactly?
You are
so
going
that
to
I can
continue,
plan?
sir. My strong, based on the astrological combination, I can say that next year she will be back with you. Okay, just relax. She'll come back, and everything will be smooth as per your astrological combination. If your date of birth, everything is perfect. So my suggestion, it's better to join back and lead a wonderful life, because already you are 36 years. So wear one golden hesonite, what we call Gomedika, and chant this mantra which I suggest, Om Hreem Dum Durgaya Namaha. It will take you to the right path. We'll have the next call. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste, yeah, tell me.
My name is Nikhil,
Nikhil,
and
yeah.
I'm from Bangalore.
Yeah, tell me.
My date of birth is 1
Okay.
10
10,
1998.
1998. Time of birth?
10
Okay.
19 a.m.
10, 19 a.m.
Yes.
10, 19 a.m. Place of birth is Bangalore?
Chintamani.
Chintamani. Okay.
Yes. I'm having lot of obstacles in my studies.
Okay.
I did
Education.
engineering for 2 years and got discontinued also.
Okay, okay.
So
In which stream?
I
In which
have
stream?
done BSc. Life
BSc
Science.
stream. Okay.
In which field should I go for higher studies?
Okay. When have you completed your degree? BSc?
No. In 2-3 months I will be completing.
Okay, you have that. You are in the last semester.
Yes, last semester.
Okay. Rahu Dasha, Shani the Bhukti is running. So let
Okay.
us understand how is Rahu. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 is there. Shani is also there. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 6. There is a combination of 5, 9. There is ups and down. Rahu and Saturn 22. Then Rahu, Mercury will come. Rahu has got a combination of 9, 3, 9. I suggest get into not MSc or something like that. Get into MBA. Get into the MBA course and get into sales and marketing or the HR part. So you'll be definitely excelling in the HR part, because the third house shows communication. This third house shows the sales and marketing. The third house also shows managing people, the human resource part. My suggestion, get into MBA, then definitely your career will be very good. So because after Rahu Dasha, you will be running Jupiter Dasha, which has also got 10 hit in the sublord level, which shows that you will be into the management side. So I will suggest go for management, MBA. Thank you. We'll take up the next call. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, yeah.
Devi Prasad Anta.
Okay, tell me.
My date of birth is 27th June 1970.
1970, okay. Time of birth?
927. The place of birth, it is Katil, place called in South Kendra.
Katil, okay, right. South Kendra, okay. Katil, Karnataka. Yeah, tell me.
It is a general how it is. I am a very religious person, and ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ದಿ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ 51.
Okay, now it is taking your pressure. Okay.
Yeah,
Religious is a different word,
Yeah.
and spirituality is a different word.
Sorry. I mean spirituality, more in
Correct.
spirituality.
Religious means you are religiously following spirituality. I can say that.
Yeah, exactly.
Religiously you are following
Guruji.
spirituality.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay, let us see what is the dasha you are running. I think you
Yeah.
should take a break for your spiritual journey. So basically, you are running this Mars dasha, which has just started 1 year back. Mars dasha.
Please.
What is Mars
Okay.
showing you, giving you is there is 510. 510 usually shows spirituality, a strong spirituality, which will change your life from current dasha. But still, your karma, which is the 6th house, will pull you back. So my suggestion, there are some backlogs in your karmas which will say that you have to suffer. So you blindly embrace spirituality, get into your divine chanting, whatever line you are into, get into that. There is nothing called a line in spirituality. There is nothing called a route in spirituality. Just having meditation, just chanting mantras will get into that. So here my strong suggestion is take a call for a next 2 to 3 years, because next after that the Rahu journey is quite bad on the health. The health aspect will be very bad in the Rahu combination, because though it is 7-7, there is no 5, there is no 11. Even 9 is not hit in our Rahu combination. Health wise it becomes bad. So getting inside the spiritual line, I suggest. And for the current situation where you are suffering, I suggest to pray this, to chant this mantra, Om Kram Kreem Krom Saha Bhaumaya Namaha. I also suggest to donate raw rice for next 3 months every Monday. So most of your problem and obstacles will come down, because the 8th house always represents humiliation, obstacles, stress. Okay, all the best, sir. Good luck. Namaste.
Hello.
Namaste.
Namaskara, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
Guruji, this is about my daughter.
Yeah, tell me.
22/12/2004.
2004, okay.
5:30 a.m.
5:30 a.m.
Bangalore.
Okay.
Guruji, I want to know what combination she should take after 10th. And now she is studying in a 10th.
Okay.
Oh, so July.
She already has completed or what?
Pardon me, Guruji?
Is there any examination which is going across?
July, Guruji. July exams are there.
Okay, there is no something called Corona scheme where everybody gets passed.
No, Guruji.
There
She
is
has
no
to
Corona
write the
scheme
exam.
applicable here.
So I just want to know what combination she should take.
Okay, her just to have a cross check, her Rashi is Mesha Rashi, the Aries Rashi, then Bharani Nakshatra. Is it right?
Yes, Guruji, correct.
Okay, let me go through her dasha, current dasha. She is just completing her Venus dasha and entering
Yes,
Surya dasha. Surya dasha is having 5, 9, 11. I suggest to take her science. Through science, she can get into software line. She'll also be very much interested in this creative part, just like designing, creative, fashion, this kind. But I still strongly recommend if she takes up science and software is the best line. And a second try would be on the medical line. The first will be definitely the engineering stream. The second, an inclination towards medical attempt will be very good, writing the NEET exam. So I would first recommend get into the stream of science and write CET, and she will be doing very well in engineering. Thank you. All the best. Namaste. Okay, let us have a small break, and we'll have some more discussion on this Sudarshana Chakra. A small break, please.
ஸ்ருங்கேரி ஜெகத்குரு அனந்த ஸ்ரீ விபூஷித பாரதி தீர்த்த மகாசுவாமிகள் அவர்களின் பரிபூரண அனுகிரகத்துடன் ஸ்ருங்கேரி ஜெகத்குரு அனந்தஸ்ரீ விபூஷித விதுசேகர பாரதி சன்னிதானங்கள் அவர்கள் தனது திருக்கரங்களினால் புத்தூரின் முதல் சிபிஎஸ்இ கல்வி நிறுவனமான அம்பிகா வித்யாலயாவினை ஸ்ரீக்ஷேத்திரம் ஸ்ருங்கேரியில் பெயர் பலகையை திறந்து வைப்பதன் மூலம் திறந்து வைக்க உள்ளார். இடம் ஸ்ரீக்ஷேத்திரம் ஸ்ருங்கேரி. நாள் 16 ஜூன் 2021 காலை 10 மணிக்கு. இந்த சிறப்பு நிகழ்ச்சியின் விசேஷ நேரலையை உங்கள் அபிமான ஸ்ரீ சங்கரா தொலைக்காட்சியில் கண்டு மகிழுங்கள்.
Okay, welcome back. We were just having a thought about the Sudarshan Chakra. Let me explain more about this. I'll have one more VT. So let us understand in depth what exactly our Sudarshana Chakra represents. So one more VT please.
How powerful is Lord Vishnu's Sudarshan Chakra? Sudarshan Chakra is one of the most powerful weapons ever known. It is the weapon of Lord Vishnu and we see him holding it in his right hand. This disc weapon is always held in the right index finger. That is spins on its own around the finger without touching or resting on it. The Sudarshan Chakra was gifted to Lord Vishnu by Mahadev as a return of his dedication and penance. This chakra is very beautiful to look at, but it has dangerously sharp and serrated edges. Although it is a weapon, it is very special. It responds to Lord Vishnu's command by mind. Just as his master wills, he goes there. Whatever task he has been given by Lord Vishnu, he will finish it. Only then would he return. The Sudarshan Chakra can kill, protect and also preserve. It can kill a whole army in a fraction of a second. It can travel at the speed of light or even more. It can become big or small and can travel across space or any kind of material. This disc also has discretion. It will never kill an innocent being, even in the warfield. It can finish off anything, humans, demons and even ghosts. No one is safe when Lord Vishnu wills it to complete its task. The Sudarshan Chakra has his own consciousness. It is not a dull machine. When Lord Vishnu came to earth as Lord Ram, he wanted to accompany him. So he took birth as Shatrughan, his youngest brother. The Sudarshan Chakra has another amazing quality. It has the power to purify the mind from negativity and give us positive thoughts. That is why it is called Sudarshan. The Sudarshan Chakra teaches us that we can become most powerful when we give up our ego.
Okay, let us also look at one picture. I would just like to look at this picture. I would like to explain few more information about it. One more pic please. Here you can just see how we have written the Sudarshana Chakra. These chakras have been written during Sudarshana Homa. So we are representing the universe in a very miniature form here. You can look at here the Sudarshana Chakra, the outer spike which is of 108. Then there are 3 circles, the 3 lokas which they call. Then they enter into the petals where 16 petals will be there, the 16 siddhis, the 16 hands of Lord Vishnu. Then the next loka which we enter will be a circle. This will be more of the truth circle which we call Satya Loka which we call. After that we have the 8 petals which will be the 8 siddhis. So these 8 siddhis, when we acquire, we will go to the, will be in the center of the universe, which will be the abode, what we call, of Vaikunta, which has got the triangular pattern with 8 corners. The 8. What are these 8 things? I would like to emphasize on this 8 thing. Everybody knows about this Panchabhutas: fire, earth, air, water, ether, which is the space. Which is the other 3? Lord Vishnu, we all say that our entire universe is made up of the 5 tattvas, the elements which we call the fire, earth, air, water, the space, the ether. But there are 3 more elements which the God possesses. One, the mind. the mind. Without mind, this universe has never come here, existing here. Because everything is generated out of the mind. You think of a chair in front of you, that has come out of from the mind. You think of this television, this programmer or this channel, this is also come out of a mind. So the sixth element will be the mind. Without the element of mind, there is no existence at all. The seventh will be the reason why. Why? Lord put to himself the question, why? There is Panchabhuta, there is a mind which I would like to create. But the seventh factor, he said, why? Okay, the five. The seventh one, he just told the reason for sustenance and revival. There is something called the recycle. The reason he said was the recycle. And lastly, the eighth, the biggest enemy of mankind, he only told because of ego. Ego, mine, myself. For God, the entire universe is with him and this is generated by him. For him, the ego matters. For us, the ego doesn't matter. The eighth element, which we show that this all should be captured across all the five. The Panchabhutas, the mind should be controlled, the reasoning should be fine. Finally, the eighth one, the ego should be surrendered. Then we enter the third circle where there are the 8 tip of the triangle. There are 2 triangles and there are the 8 tips. 8 tips. Inside them there are 3. These 8 tips which we enter into, there is a triangle which we completely surrender to the God, which will be the black hole. So people say that we will have a cycle of birth and rebirth. There is death, again there is birth, there is death, there is a cycle. We have to stop this cycle. To stop this cycle, we have to understand this Sudarshana Chakra, how beautifully the universe is being explained in a miniature way, where we are born out of that 108 spikes through our nakshatra, through our padas. Then we will have our life. Then again we have to collect all that 16 siddhis and capture all that 8 whatever we call about the Panchabhutas and the 3 whatever I said. Then lastly we have to get inside where there is no return. When we talk about the black hole, this black hole absorbs all the objects which comes near it. You can just go and search for black hole. The energy is more and very high and very, very, very large. Whatever comes in its way, it is absorbed. So to get absorbed in that black hole where the Lord Vishnu is residing, which we call as the Kshirasagara, the Milky Way, the middle part, where he is Aramse sleeping in a very comfortable position. We have to get there, which is also known as the Vaikuntham. So for that, all this 5 plus 3 has to be controlled, and there should not be any kind of what we call the materialistic liking, and we have to get into the spirituality. So many people are into the rituals. In that spirituality, the ritual thing has to be removed. Ritual has to be removed, and only the spirit has to be retained. This spirit is what? The ego of the God. Our spirit has to go back because he is in the ego. We have to surrender our ego. The last picture depicts about the Lord Vishnu. We can have the last picture here. So you can just see the Sudarshana Chakra just mentioned, and the 16 siddhis, what we call, are the 16 kind of energies, what we can call. There are 16 kind of energies represented in this picture. So all this we have to break through and get into the 8 sub-siddhis and finally enter in the heart of Vishnu. The final journey for all of us is to enter into the heart of Lord Vishnu. Okay, that's about it. Every day, let us discuss more about the mythological part or the science part. So a lot of calls are coming. Just will carry through the calls, and I would like to mention one thing. There is a 15 days class, Nakshatra Nadi. There are 2 batches which I conduct from August 1st. Morning 10 to 12 Indian Standard Time, and evening Indian Standard Time 7 to 9. It's a very simple thing. You should just have a smartphone, have a WhatsApp connection in that. So through WhatsApp, we'll all make a group, WhatsApp group. Through WhatsApp group, there is a link which comes from the Zoom link. So through Zoom, the classes will be conducted. Okay, in 15 days, everything will be coming to know based on the astrological part and the prediction part too, which will be under the gambit of Nakshatra Nadi. So let us take the next caller. Namaste.
Hello, Namaskaram Guruji.
Yeah, namaste.
I am from Kerala. My name is Ambika.
Okay.
Currently doing CA course.
CA, okay, okay.
So I want to know about my career furthermore.
Yeah, sure. I'll just put across. Can you just tell me your date of birth?
25th August.
Okay.
1997.
1997. Time of birth?
6:15 p.m.
6:15?
6:15 p.m.
Okay. 1815. Okay. Place of birth?
Kozhikode.
Okay. Based on this, your ascendant is Kumbha Lagna or Kumbha ascendant. Rashi, I don't know, your Malayalam language will be having a Rohini Nakshatra. Rohini Nakshatra
Yes.
is right?
Yes.
Okay, second Padam.
Yes.
So currently what Dasha you are running, let me have a look at it. Your Dasha is Rahu Dasha. And till 2022 April you will be running Mercury Bhukti. So CA. Okay. Rahu Dasha has got 7-7 and Mercury has got 7-8. There is an obstacle in the Bhukti which we call, there is obstacle 8th house. 8th house is, denotes failures. After Mercury there is Ketu also, which shows failure and obstacles. After that again there is again 12 and 4. I think the current scenario is not favorable for you to get through this subject what you have taken. So how long you have been doing this?
2 years.
2 years. I would suggest some remedies for this.
Okay.
First and foremost, kindly donate curd every Friday for next 3 months.
Okay.
Okay. After that, every Thursday, the same time every Thursday for next 3 months, donate Bengal gram. I would like to give you a chanting. Just chant this Om Som Somaya Namaha. Om Som Somaya Namaha. So you'll start doing good in your exams. Okay, it will take some time. I think probably 2023 and 26 when Venus starts getting in, because that's where the 4th house gets hit and the 12th house. With difficulty, 23 to 25 will complete. It's a long drawn process. Have patience, work hard, and just pray for the Lord Moon. Om Som Somaya Namaha. And I would suggest you to wear one gemstone, Basra pearl, in your right hand ring finger. Okay. Thank you. Good luck. Namaste. Namaskaram. Okay, there is some connection issue. Namaste. Yeah. Hello. Namaste.
Hello.
Hello. Namaste. Yeah.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. Tell me.
Yes, I'm very happy that you are in Shankara TV also.
Yeah. Thank you.
Actually, my mother has just learnt the water.
Nakshatra Nadi.
It's
Okay.
your student.
Okay.
My question is, I will directly go to Prashna Shastra.
Oh, we'll go to Prashna Shastra. Okay. Yeah, just tell me.
Yes.
See, anybody who would like to call here, the Prashna Shastra, we take a seed from 1 to 249. Based on that 1 to 249 seed, we will predict here based on any one question. Okay? Yeah, tell me. 1 to 249?
My number is 56.
56. Okay.
Based on my father, pension arrears has not yet got for us
Okay.
from the government.
So, how long?
How long? From 2018 it was.
2018. It's 3 long years now. Okay. Let me see what is the Prashna Shastra and what is the Dasha you asked for. Ketu Dasha is running with Ketu Bhukti June already completed and with Shukra running now. Let us see what Ketu is giving. 1, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 8, 9, 7, 8, 10 combination. Ketu has got obstacles. I don't see that you will have a favorable encounter with the authorities. There is 8 and 8. They will be telling a lot of stories, I think. What is the problem you are facing now
Yes,
currently?
they are telling the file is pending, so many things. We have submitted each and everything, but don't know what to do.
Even the current Bhukti is also telling 8 and 8. So I think are they expecting some money
I
to
don't know.
move your
Guruji.
father's file?
They are expecting, we might, but due to lockdown, the banks are also closed.
Okay, Ketu Guru. I am looking at a time between 2023 and 25, and predominantly it is 24 onwards only you will be able to get this. It's a long process, long time. I will not be able to help it out. I would like to give you some suggestion what you can just donate and chant some mantra. Kindly donate this gingerly oil to poor people every Saturday for next 3 months. And I would also suggest you to donate wheat and go for a chanting Om Hreem Dum Durgaya Namaha, and ask your mother or whoever has been in charge for this to wear a red thread which is having around 5 rounds. Okay, on a Friday you can wear, and through this I think you can prepone the result. Okay, good luck. Namaste. Namaste. Good
Namaste,
evening.
Guruji.
Namaste. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I will go with Prashna Shastra.
Okay.
We want to give some money to a person who promised us to give daily
Back.
1% capital. So we can believe him or not. He is good person or fraud. Please clarify,
Okay.
sir.
So, for what purpose you are giving the money?
For making double money in very short time.
Oh, scheme. See, astrology will not actually help you out in this kind of a scenario. But anyway, you asked for the question. Let me see what exactly it will show. Can you just tell me a number between 1 to 249? It's a
65.
speculation. Sorry?
65.
65. On the money part, I just go by the business part and the combination what it comes. Whether you'll be, so in how many months or days or years you'll be giving back?
Since 2.5 months he is giving sincerely, sir. So we can.
So already you have given money to him, huh?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, let me see. You are looking for whether you will get back your principal amount.
Yeah, sir. He is good person, sir.
Oh, very good person.
He will make
Till he pays you the interest, he is a good person. Correct?
Yes, sir.
The day he stops giving interest, he will become a devil. He is God today,
sir.
he might become a demon tomorrow.
But he is a very humble person, so we believed him blindly.
Okay, let us see astrological part what it's showing. So currently, okay, there is little bit of obstacles also and money flow also, not to worry. And after that, there is Shukra also which is coming. There also there is obstacles and money. Whenever you need money, it will not come in time. That is what the first indication I would like to give. And he continues to give the interest part, but over a period of time, there will be some breaks which happens in getting back your money. So my first suggestion is to donate turmeric, the turmeric root to poor people, then also curd to poor people for next 3 months, and monthly Thursday, monthly one Thursday donate turmeric, one Friday donate curd. Okay. So I would like to give a mantra to get back your money. So which will be a sun mantra, Om Grini Suryaya Adityaya Om. Om Grini, the third house which is the house of commission plus the 11th house has to be drawn. So I would like to suggest to wear a orange color thread. Okay. Then chant this mantra, Om Grini Suryaya Adityaya Om. So August 1st we have the classes, dear viewers, and there will be 2 batches. You can learn astrology in a very simple way for 15 days. Morning one batch will be there. There will be a second batch, a different batch in the evening. So those who are interested can register the numbers given below. You can just call them and register. tomorrow. Daytime you can just call them. Let me go to the next caller. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, namaste.
Sir, I want to take my health and
I'll take up only one question. Health
okay,
I'll
sir.
take. Shall I go for a query or shall I go for your date of birth?
Sir,
Your
I have,
horoscope?
no, sir, I have date of birth, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
31/3,
31/3,
1989, sir.
1989. Time of birth?
Sir, 12:25, sir.
AM, PM?
PM. Sir, PM, sir.
12:25. Place of birth?
Sir, from Chamarajanagar, sir.
Chamarajanagar. Yeah, tell me. What is your question?
Sir, my health, what is the... my
Sorry,
health
I heard
condition?
about it. I forgot. Okay.
Okay.
Let me look at the health. So you're just 32 years. Young fellow. Let me see what is the health issue which is showing. Rahu
I
Dasha
have
is showing.
I have
Rahu is...
attended-
Okay. Yeah, tell me.
I have had an accident, sir, about 2 months ago. So what is the now condition? What is the next appearance of next day? How? will
No,
be-
what was the disease you were suffering from?
From leg break injury, sir.
Oh, you had an accident.
Sir.
Immunity will be a problem. Then the 11th house and the 11th house.
Will
is
be
not
in
there.
next few days.
The Rahu is sitting in the 8th house. I would suggest you some remedy. Okay. First and foremost, kindly donate radish every Saturday for next 3 months without fail. The next suggestion, wear a 6-face Rudrakshi. 6-face Rudrakshi. 6-face Rudrakshi. Then you can, Mars is in the 11th house, 6 and 11. And again Jupiter is in 7, 10, 11. 7th house is also good. Okay, just wear an yellow sapphire in the right hand index finger and kindly chant this mantra, Om Dram Dream Draum Saha Shukraya Namaha. There is a faster cure here. Okay, don't worry. It's a little bit mild, not to worry about it. Okay. Can we take the next caller, please? Namaste. Namaste.
Namaste. Guruji, namaste.
Yeah, namaste. Tell me.
My name is Venkatraman. My date of birth is 2nd November 1975.
2nd November?
1975.
1975. Okay. Time of birth?
Time of birth is 5:30 a.m. and place of birth is Kalyan.
Kalyan, Mumbai?
Yeah, Kalyan, Mumbai.
Maharashtra. Okay. Can you just tell me what question you are expecting here?
Basically, I just want to know how will be my career actually. See,
Okay.
presently I am working in a bank, multinational bank, and also pursuing CA. So I'm not married actually. So my marriage prospects, and is there any possibility of job
Almost, I
change?
think you have asked more than 5-6 questions. I will just
Hello?
take up one question. Can you just
Yeah.
ask
How
me
will
one
be
question?
my life actually, like
Life.
future prospects?
Life will be very good, boss. Don't worry.
Okay.
Let me see that Saturn Dasha. Saturn Dasha has got the 11 hit in the planet. Nakshatra is also 11 hit. 6, 7, 11, 6, 7, 11, 1, 3, 10. Excellent. But the Saturn Dasha has also got 1, 6, 10 combination, which is detrimental for the marriage part. 1, 6, 10. So the next Dasha, which is Mercury, is very good, but Saturn Dasha will take a very long year of 2036. The current Bhukti which I look at is Mercury. Within 2023 June,
Yeah.
your marriage happens. That's not a issue at all. There is 11th house, there is 2-11 combination. Within 2023, the marriage happens. Within 2023 also, you can complete your CA.
Okay.
The combinations are highly fruitful. No, nothing to worry. So I would suggest for the marriage part, the combination is very fruitful, but I think you are more focused on the career and you forgot about your taking care of your married life or marriage.
Okay.
Okay. My suggestion is you just wear one emerald to your little finger.
Okay.
Within 2023, marriage is in your cards.
Is there any sorry, Guruji, one small doubt.
Yeah.
Is there any possibility that it can happen within a short span also?
Definitely.
Okay.
Which has just started 2020 October onwards.
Okay.
The marriage part in your life is
Yeah.
very, very strong. I
Okay,
would recommend you to have your focus to have a partner. This is the right time to get the right partner. Okay.
Okay.
Career wise is excellent. You'll make a lot of money. Nothing to worry about it. After Saturn Dasha, the Mercury will also give you a lot of money from 2036, and next you will have your own business in future. Lot of money you will make. Just plan for your marriage. Life is good. I would suggest you to learn this Nakshatra Nadi, which is the astral science. It will help you out. Okay, let us go to the next caller. Okay, right. I think time's up for today episode. So we had a wonderful session today. I would thank all the viewers, and I would request everybody to watch this program between 10:30 p.m. Till 11:30 p.m. If you have missed out this program, I would suggest you to go to my YouTube page, which is Nakshatra Nadi. You can just Google it across in the YouTube. Then YouTube search, you will get Nakshatra Nadi. Almost for last 5 years, from 4 to 5 years, probably I'll be starting with the 6th year shortly. From last 6 years, I've been teaching this astral science, and more than 12,000 students have learned this. So today is the first day. I'm foraying into the English medium, English language, so that the entire Indian people, the international people, try to come to my class and learn astrology. Okay. All the best. Take care. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.
Utram Veeram Mahavishnu Jwalantam Sarvatomukham Nrisimham Bhishmanam Bhadram Mrityur Mrityum Namamyaham